blizzard of 2005 elbowed its way into the record books this weekend with blinding snow, howling winds, and frigid temperatures. The video camera was housed in a plastic terrarium, formerly a home for frogs.
Oh, you didn't smudge it, did you?
Storm weighed in at number 5 in the biggest recent snowfalls, with 22.5 inches at the official gauge at Logan International Airport as of 7 p.m.
Early in the morning, the snowplows were clearing streets and people were huddling in coffee shops.
It's a wonderful day. That's pretty bad, huh? I put it in a case. See if I don't know. I'll get it. Get all of it, please. Doing a good job.
Needed some immediate shelter from the elements.
Is it like this in Morocco? Morocco like this? Mountains? Oh, I love mountains. Oh. You're doing a good job. You're doing excellent. Oh. I just do a little, then I...
I thought of the movie The Perfect Storm.
Swordbook, Captain. Can't be good unless you love it.
We're not going to let the storm beat us.
Wait, I need some shots of you doing something. I just want... I know, but please just give me a shot. Okay, you wipe the back of the window. I'll tell you how to fly.
The snow is actually getting too hard to shovel.
At its height, the fierce and compact storm knocked out power to some 26,000 customers.